Who needs a blog? I'm going to make a website that is going to be a one-stop for everything. Blogs are so 2005, right? You've got to keep writing all the time and finding things to say and communicating, and who needs that? Okay, maybe you do. If you have a website, you need a blog. If you market online, you need a blog. If you want to have an audience for whatever it is that you do, then you need a blog. Here's why. 1. More connections. Blog marketing boosts your connections with potential customers. They can get to know you through your posts, understand why you are the expert, find out how you're different from all the rest, and leave comments for you to respond to. 2. Improved SEO. If you want to rank for certain keywords, frequently updating your content and using keywords in your posts is a great way to do it. 3. Freshness. A website without a blog is static. It's stale. It's not growing, moving, inspiring, adjusting to new developments, improving with the times, or helping people when they need it most. 4. Testing new ideas. You've posted 30 new blog posts in the past couple of months. Of those, 25 received a moderate number of hits, 4 received a lot of hits, and 1 went viral. Which post topic is telling you to expand upon it, create a product around it, write a book about it, and teach a course about it? Gee, I wonder. 5. Practice. Do you want to get better at content creation? Having a blog is an excellent tool for that, because you've got to continually update it. And you get immediate feedback too. You have done a blog before? What did you think of it? Comment below and subscribe to our channel.